Yeah, hi all. Today we will cover Spring Boot interview questions and answer. What is Spring Boot and how is it different from Spring Framework? Spring Boot simplifies Spring application development with auto configuration, starter, and embedded servers. So what are Spring Boot starters? Pre-configured dependency descriptors. Example: Spring Boot starter web, Spring Boot starter data JPA. What is the purpose of application.properties or application.yml? Used to externalize configuration like port, database URLs, and logging labels. How do you create a Spring Boot applications? Using Spring Initializer or manually by annotating the main class with @Spring Boot applications. So what is the use of Spring Spring Boot annotations? It is a combination of configuration, enable auto configuration, component scan. What is auto configuration in Spring Boot? Automatically configures Spring Beans based on class path, setting, and configuration files. How do you disable a specific auto configurations? Use @Spring Boot application exclude data source auto configuration dot class. What is Actuator in Spring Boot? Provides production ready features like monitoring, metrics, health checks, add endpoints like /actuator/health. How do you connect a Spring Boot app to a database? Add DB dependencies and configure Spring.DataSource.st properties in application.properties. How does Spring Boot handle embedded servers? Use embedded servers like Tomcat JT or Undertow to run web applications as standalone charts. How to create custom starters in Spring Boot? Create a library project with dependency and auto configuration logic and expose it as dependency. What is the difference between @component, @service, and @repository in Spring Boot? All are detected during component scanning, but @repository and @service add specific behaviors like exception translation. How do you secure a Spring Boot application? Use Spring Security Starter, secure endpoints using configuration or annotations like @pre-authorize. How do you profile environments in Spring Boot? Use @profile annotation and separate applications -profile.properties files. How do you implement exception handling globally? Use controller advice, exception handler to handle exception globally across controllers. How does Spring Boot manage externalized configurations? Suppose.properties.yml environment variables, command line arguments, and @value configurations properties injections. How do you enable scheduling in Spring Boot app? Add enable scheduling and annotate methods @scheduled. What is Spring.factory used for in custom auto configurations? Declare your custom configuration classes so Spring Boot can auto load them. How do you create RESTful APIs using Spring Boot? Use REST controller, get serving, post mapping, etc. and return object that's Spring serialized to JSON. What is the default logging framework used in Spring Boot? Spring Boot uses Spring Boot logging backend by Logback. Thank you. If you like this presentation, please like, share, and subscribe. Ring the bell to get notified of new content. Thank you.